Good morning. A large number of mid-cap and small-cap stocks are on a roll again, surpassing the gains seen in most frontline stocks in the last few trading weeks. This could be a signal for most of the investors on Dalal Street to be on their guard. Since the budget on February 26th, 8 stocks from BSE's Group B have more than doubled, while 16 stocks have given returns of over 75%. Compared to such fantastic gains, the BSE Sensex and the NSE Nifty both are up about 9.6%. Out of the total 200 stocks of BSE's Group A, the best performer, Indiabulls Financial Services, is up just 36% post the budget. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq crossed 1200 and 2500 respectively. US shares had their best performance in nearly 6 weeks after Intel and JP Morgan outperformed. The domestic market is set to gulp along well powered by global cues. Asian markets are mostly up. Markets in Shanghai are flat despite China clocking a better than anticipated 11.9% GDP growth in Q1. Maybe investors fear a fresh monetary policy tightening response from the Chinese central bank. Another hike in CRR and short-term rates is also on the cards by the RBI later this month. Inflation will be out today for the month of March and is most likely to have crossed 10%. This may lead to a temporary blip in sentiments, but on the whole, things should be fine. The other news for the day is Infosys has bagged an order worth $150 million from Microsoft. Tata Sons is taking a book building to sell its Tata Motors DVR shares. ACC said prices of the building material needs to rise by at least 20% if the company has to complete its expansion plans for the next 2 years. 4 out of the 5 subsidiaries of ACC incurred losses in operations in 2009. SEBI asked 14 firms to register before launching new plans, but IRDA rejects the proposal. The actual FDI in Indian business declined by 34.1% in April-December 2009 to $8.4 billion from $12.7 billion a year ago. After coking coal and iron ore, thermal coal supply contracts have now been signed at about 40% higher than last year. The government imposed an export duty of Rs 2,500 per ton on raw cotton and 3% on the FOB value of cotton waste with effect from April 9th. Life insurance companies that have completed 5 years of operations can apply for permission to go public according to the norms for IPO finalized by the IRDA. Oil marketing companies to get rest of dues next month. Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulator Board feels the need to take a relook at the gas transmission tariff. Moving on to the recommendations, on the derivatives end we have Long Patel Engineering April future at Rs 479 for a target price of Rs 495 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 470, and Long SBI April future at Rs 2099 for a target price of Rs 2140 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 2080. The technical calls are a buy on Crompton Greaves. Traders are recommended to buy the stock at current market levels of Rs 277 for a target price of Rs 300 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 268, and a buy on Jindal Steel and Power at Rs 724 for a target price of Rs 755 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 708. That's it for the day. Thank you and have a great day ahead.